Researchers with the University of Saskatchewan have discovered new chemotherapy that allows a drug to be delivered directly to the tumor. Dr. Mike Moser set out to develop a new method of killing brain cancer cells while preserving the tissue around it.
We used an IRE-like machine on cells that the cancer cells, the brain cancer cells, were a lot more sensitive to the IRE than the normal cells that we tested it on. We want to destroy all the tumor cells. We want to do that really well, but at the same time, we want to minimize the amount of injury to the other cells. And so that was a really useful finding.
IRE is a technique involving long needles being placed through the skull while sending pulses of electrical current into a glioblastoma tumor.
Because it's so brief, it's really, really safe, and that allows us to use it just about anywhere in the body.
Dr. Moser thinks these findings will help avoid opening people up to treat them.
This can be accessed with just a few little holes, and without having to open up the skull, just like we avoid opening up the abdomen most of the time when we use IRE.
Another doctor on the research team says this is a great discovery for them.
And this is a very promising technique. Plus,
the team's next step is to develop a combined method of tumor removal and immunotherapy.
We've been amazed, at least in the lab so far, at how much of an immune response you can generate when you're using the IRE in combination with these immune boosting drugs. So all kinds of possibilities for these using IRE in combination with something else.
Emily May Simmonds, Global News.